you. So today I'm going to discuss what is ethical considerations in conducting in research. So ethical considerations in conducting in research are crucial for ensuring responsible conduct and protecting participants. Key principles include obtaining informed consent, ensuring confidentiality and anonymity, minimizing potential harm, and communicating results responsibly. Researchers must also be honest and objective in their approach, avoid plagiarism, and be transparent about their methods and findings. So, here are more detailed or information about ethical consideration and conducting in research. Number 1, informed consent. Participants should be fully informed about the research purpose and procedures, potential risks and benefits, and their right to withdraw at any time without penalty. This consent should be obtained freely without coercion or undue influence. For vulnerable populations like children or those with cognitive impairments, specific considerations must be taken to ensure their rights are protected. Number 2, confidentiality and anonymity. Confidentiality. Research must protect participants' persons' data and ensure it's only accessible to authorized individuals' anonymity. When it possible, researchers should collect data in a way that makes it impossible to identify individual participants. Number 3, minimizing harm. So this is researchers have a responsibility to minimize any potential physiological, social, or legal harm to participants. This includes careful consideration research methods and potential risks. In cases where harm is unavoidable, researchers must take steps to mitigate it and provide appropriate support to participants. And number 4, honesty and objectivity. Researchers must be truthful in reporting their findings, methodology, and data. This includes avoiding fabrication, falsification, or plagiarism of data. Objectivity means being fair and unbiased in the research process from design to interpretation. Number 5, transparency and openness. Researchers should be transparent about their methods, data, and potential conflict of interest. This includes sharing data and findings with other researchers as appropriate to promote scientific progress. Openness also means being receptive to feedback and criticism from others. And that would be all my topic about ethical in research.